Welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop. I've got something a little different today. This is not craft related, but just thought I would, just open a little mail on camera here. This is an order that I had placed it's a local company here in Indiana. They're actually maybe a half hour away from me, but I didn't want to go down to their store. And I wanted to support their Etsy shop online, so I ordered it from them. So the company is called Hurricane Hill, and you can find them on Etsy, and I will make sure that I put all of their links below. And they specialize in like herbal products, so I use a lot of essential oils and things like that. And so in this box, I've got a few fun things. Let's see what they put here. I had placed a note on my order that said, "So glad to have found a place so close to home that sells natural products. I look forward to coming to see your products in person soon." And she wrote, "Thank you. We are glad you found us too. We are open most weekends, and in the evenings we both work. Call us and let us know when you want to stop into the shop, and we will be sure to have it open for you." And then she gave me her numbers. Cool. All right, I like supporting local, and I like supporting Etsy sellers. So this is some whipped shea butter, cranberry marmalade. This was a 16-ounce container, and I paid $16 for it, which seems like a lot, but I've got some other products that I've spent probably more than that on, so. Okay, smooth this skin softening whipped shea all over for wonderfully silky smooth skin. Slather on feet. Ooh. Let me smell it. Oh, that smells lovely. Oh my, like a candle almost. Wow, and a little will go a long, long, long way with that. So slather on your feet at night, then put socks on for soft feet in the morning. Put on legs before putting on tights for soft legs when you get home in the evening. We've added arnica and calendula oil. And man, does it smell good. Okay, so thumbs up for that one. Ooh, my hands are already soft and they don't feel extremely greasy. So I like that. Okay, cool. What else do we have here? Oh, this is carrot seed and rose hip eye cream. So this has tallow, almond oil, manoi oil, rose hip oil. I don't have my glasses on. Carrot seed oil, herbal infusion blend, and hyaluronic acid. Yeah. Anyway. Ooh, that's a nice texture. Oops, bumped the camera. Sorry, I'm going up to my eyeballs. Ooh, that feels nice and thick. Oops, I am so sorry. Bump, 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 bump. Okay, well, I'll let you know how this one goes. I use a lot of herbal things because so many other products make me break out and give me a rash or burn up my skin. So I can't even hardly wear sunscreen on my face. So, and then this is, I have two types of soap that I ordered. Oh, and the eye cream was $9.25, which is pretty close to what I pay for like Burt's Bees eye cream, which I can wear without it bothering me. And then this is Midnight Pomegranate Goat's Milk Soap, handmade right here in Park County, Indiana. And I really want to smell it, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, that smells good. Really good. Midnight Pomegranate is one of our popular soap bars, has many skin-loving oils and shea butter in the recipe. It is also super fatted, meaning less oils saponified, leaving skin soft and moisturized. All right, sunflower and olive oils are great for aging skin as well. Aging skin. Okay, I am aging. This bar is in a base of goat's milk, another great skin loving ingredient. Soap bar has a nice lather and rinses clean. It contains goat's milk, coconut oil, olive oil, lye, sunflower oil, tallow, shea butter, lard, castor oil, beeswax, and fragrance, sugar, and salt. So yeah, it has lye in it. You know, you won't want to eat it, but that's not what it's made for. Man, it smells good. Okay. And then this one is called Merlin's Forest. And their soap bars are $4.85 is what I paid for those. And I had free shipping because between these 4 products, my order came to $35.63. And because it was over $35, I got free shipping. So I didn't even have to drive down the road to get it. Okay, Merlin's Forest. This one has similar ingredients, I think. Yeah, the other one was goat's milk, coconut oil, olive oil. This one's goat's milk, almond oil, avocado oil. Okay, let me smell this one. That one smells really good too. This one smells like a, I don't want to say a commercial bar soap because it doesn't have like that, you know, Zestfully Clean or Irish Spring soap. But it doesn't smell, you know, okay, I don't know if your husbands are like mine, but he uses my products like this, but he does complain sometimes that they smell kind of girly and lavendery. And so this one I think would be more up my alley, but this one I think he would use without complaining. So, okay, all right, so Midnight Pomegranate, Merlin's Forest. Those are the 2 soaps here that I'm going to try, and they do both smell great. The Carrot Seed and Rosehip Eye Cream, I've got it on my eyes right now, and I would have already had a reaction starting if it was going to bother me, and it hasn't. So that's good. And I mean, I can feel it on my eyes right now. It hasn't soaked completely in. And the whipped Shea Butter Cranberry Marmalade, which, like I said, it smells like a candle. It smells really good. So, okay. All right. I am going to let you guys go, but I just wanted to open up my Happy Mail. I was a little excited about it coming today. I've been working on some little snippet rolls, or snippet trims. I don't have enough of them to call them a roll. But that's what I was working on last night, just using up some of my little bits and pieces that I have. I haven't decorated them yet. I'm going to put buttons and pins and things like that on them, but my goal was to get enough of my snippets used up that I could close the lid on my snippet box, and it still doesn't close. So there's over 7 feet of snippet trim here, and I still can't close the lid on my snippet box. So in fact, I think it might have multiplied. But anyway, okay, I will be back in another video here real shortly. I've got to flip through for you. Okay, see you all really soon. Bye-bye.